Hi guys, you ready to learn more about water? Today we're going to talk about how water comes in 3 different forms. Water is a type of matter. Let's look over here. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? It says water is matter. Well, what is matter? What is matter? Matter is a term used for anything that has mass, which means weight, or takes up space. Everything, boys and girls, is matter. Toys are matter. Food is matter. We are matter. And even water is matter. Matter comes in 3 forms or states. They could be solids, liquids, or gases. Let's look at water here. These are the 3 forms or states that water can take. We can see water as an ice cube, which is a solid. It's hard. We can see water as a liquid, which is like a glass of water that you drink. And we can see water in gas form, like the clouds, or the vapor goes up to the clouds and makes the clouds. That's a gas. So 3 forms of water are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid is when it's frozen, liquid is when it's wet and fluid, and gas is when the vapor goes up into the air, the water vapor. Now let's see what types of water we see in nature and the forms that they take. The different forms of water. What's the other name for water? Do you remember? That's right, H2O in nature. When we see water in nature, we might see it as a solid, like an ice cube, or an icicle, or even hail. You know what hail is? Hail is when it's raining very hard little pellets of water. They're like frozen water pellets. And we see water as snow, and that is also a solid. Even though it's a soft solid, it's still a solid. Then we see water in nature as liquids. The rain, when we see water come out of a faucet. The ocean, big wave. This is a waterfall. And the rivers and lakes have fluid, liquid water. Then when we want to see water as gases, we can see it in our everyday life. When we make tea in a tea kettle, the steam that comes out is water vapor. When mommy cooks, she makes macaroni, she put boils of water. The steam that comes out of the pot is vapor that goes up into the air. And then here, you see the clouds. And the clouds are formed from the water vapor in the air. And down here, this is a picture that's a little hard to see, but this is the mist in the air that goes up to the clouds. So those are the different forms of water in nature. Today, I have a challenge for you. I'd like for you to try to do this little challenge and see what you find out. I'd like for you to put 1 ice cube like this in a Ziploc bag and seal it tight. Use anything in your house, including yourself, to try to melt this ice cube as quick as possible. Do not use a heater or fire, not even a blow dryer. Once your ice cube is melted, pour the water into a bowl and place the bowl on a windowsill where the sun shines. Even today, if it's not sunny, it's okay to still put it on the windowsill. Leave it there for a whole day. And when you go back to the windowsill the next day, check the water. Look at what happened to the liquid in the bowl. And then let me know what you found out. I will be sending Mommy a sheet with questions on it for you to answer about this challenge. I hope you have fun and enjoy it. Also, don't forget, remember, never say no to H2O. Water helps you learn and grow. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great day.